Hello traders, welcome to my channel Trade Fanatics. In this video we are going to do a weekly analysis of forex pairs based on the method that we discussed in the last video, titled a three-step approach for trading the trend. Okay, so we are going to trade with the trend. So if the trend is up, we are going to look for only buying options, and if the trend is down, we are going to look for selling opportunities. Okay, so it's trading with the trend using the three-step approach. Remember the three steps. First step is to identify the trend, whether it's up or down. The second one is identifying the zones that we are interested in before taking the trade though. And the third step is assessing the quality of the trading opportunity itself. So anything that is 1:2, less than 1:2 risk to reward ratio, we are going to ignore them. We have to have at least 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's do a quick weekly analysis. I've already made some shortlisted some of the stocks that are in trend, and I've also marked the zones as well, so that to keep the video short. Anyway, I'm going to explain why I have marked those zones very quickly now. So the first pair I've shortlisted is Aussie US dollar. And as obviously, as you can see, this is in a clear uptrend. Okay, this is in a clear uptrend, and we're looking for only buying opportunities and nothing else. And this is a previous support zone that we are looking at. So if the price comes down to this, this level here, then we'll be interested in buying in this zone here. Okay, and then in case if the price doesn't come down to this level and starts going up like this, then this is the resistance zone that I have marked here. Obviously I'm not going to sell there, I'm only looking for buying opportunities. Remember, we are trading with the trend. We are going to ignore any selling opportunities that may arise during the week. Okay, so if it reaches there, we wait for the pullback and reach this support level. Okay, now it is acting as a resistance, so once the price crosses this will act as support, and once the price returns to that level, we are going to look for buying opportunities and look for at least 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's about Aussie dollar. We are looking for a buying opportunity there. It is in an uptrend, and the zones I've already marked here. So either if the price just stalls here during the week somewhere here, or just goes up and stalls somewhere there, then obviously we're not interested. We are interested only if the price comes to this zone here or this zone here. Okay, so far so much clear there. Now moving on to the next pair. The next one is Euro US dollar. Okay, so this is also again an uptrend, and we're looking to buy this, not sell whatsoever. Okay, so once we can see that there is some sort of resistance in this zone here. The price has previously gone up there and got rejected. So what we are expecting this week is for the price to go up, for the price to go up and break this level, and then retrace back to this support level, and then this is the zone that we are interested in to take the trade. Any buying opportunities in this zone we'd be interested in, and we'll be taking 1:2 at least risk to reward ratio trades. Okay, so that's Euro USD for you. And moving quickly onto the next pair, because we got quite a few pairs here to cover, so we're going to move quickly onto the next one, which is, and if you have any confusions about why I have marked these zones and everything, please go back and see the previous video. It's trading the trend, the three-step approach. Okay, so you have to just watch that video completely so that you get an idea of what I'm talking about here and why I have marked these zones here as a area of interest for our trading opportunities, searching for our trading opportunities. Okay, so the next pair here is New Zealand US dollar. Again, this is an uptrend, and this is a zone that I'm interested in. If the price comes back to this level, then I'll be looking for buying opportunity, and we might get a very good opportunity there. Maybe not this week, maybe we might get a trading opportunity next week, but I have already marked it here because you never know, the price can just come here quickly as well and then do a lot of things. So anyway, I have marked it so that I don't want to miss any buying opportunity when it arises. Okay, so the next pair here is Aussie JPY. Okay, again it's in an uptrend. You might be saying it's very apparent that this is the zone that I'm looking at. Okay, this is zone I'm interested in. I want the price to first break this resistance, go up there, and it's possible that it can go up there and get rejected because of this previous resistance. As you can see, the price got rejected very nicely from that level, so I'm expecting the same thing to happen even here now. And once it comes back or retraces to the support zone, then I'm interested in buying. Remember, even though I'm expecting a pullback from this level, I'm not going to sell this, because remember, we are only trading with the trend, and the trend is up, and we want to look for only buying opportunities. So you have to resist the urge of trading counter trades. Okay, so now moving on to the next one, EURJPY. It's again the same thing. You might be wondering, it might be coming down, but if you just have a look at the higher time frame here, you can very clearly see that it is, the price is going up, and overall the trend is up. If you see here, it's up, down, up. It's forming a nice higher high and higher low, so I'm expecting another higher high here. That's the reason I marked this as this pair to be in an uptrend, and I'm looking for only buying opportunities. So moving on to the daily time frame. So very nicely, as expected, it's going up here, which is nice. Okay, so and we can expect the same thing as the previous pair. We can expect some resistance around here, and then expect a retracement, and this is zone I'm interested in buying. So you might be wondering why I didn't buy here, because there has been some rejections, all those, and if I'm entering here, that would be like I'm entering late. If I had entered somewhere here, then that would have made sense. But now what I want to do is I want the price to break up, test these levels, retrace, and then find some support around these areas, and then look for a nice uptrending move again. Okay, so that's the whole idea. You're trading with the trend, looking for only buying opportunities. Then moving on to the next pair, guys, it's New Zealand JPY. It's the same thing again. It has already reached this higher resistance zone, so I was ready for two kind of scenarios. One is, in case this week, right at the start of this week, if it starts falling, I would be looking for buying opportunities in this zone. So it is now looking like it's crossing that resistance zone, so I'm allowing it to, you know, wait basically for the price to go up and then retrace again, and then look for buying opportunities in this zone. So I guess I'm not looking for this zone anymore now. If it closes higher above the resistance zone, this one here, then I'll be looking for retracement entries in this zone and look for buying opportunities there. So that's one. And the next one, GBPUSD dollar. Here okay, we got one selling opportunity as well. As you can see, it's clearly in a downtrend. Okay, it's clearly in a downtrend. And then if you look at the weekly time frame there now, which I'm going to switch to this weekly time frame, it's clearly coming down. So basically what I want to do is I want that confirmation that the price still wants to go down. Okay, so that's the reason. If it comes down here, then this will act as resistance. Only then I'll be looking for selling opportunities. So as you can see here, it's already moving up, so we don't know whether that's going to happen, but if it happens, then I'm taking the trade. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. I'm not bothered. Basically, I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to buy here. For that to happen, I have to have a proper uptrending market there. Only then I can look for buying opportunities. At the moment, it's a downtrend, so I'm looking for selling opportunities. If I don't get one, that's fine. I'm going to just ignore that pair. We want to the next one. It's USDCAD. Here again, we are looking for some buying opportunities again, and this is a very good resistance zone. Okay, this is a very good resistance zone. So the price, that's why it's kind of reacting before even reaching that level. You know, as I said, it's a zone. Basically, it's not a line. So somewhere there the price is reacting. I'm looking for buying opportunities. And when would I be buying? Because I've identified this as in an uptrend, so the trend is up. I want to look for only buying opportunities, and this is a zone I want to aim for. If the price goes higher there and then retraces back to this level, then I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Okay guys, moving quickly on to the next one here. If you think this video is going very fast, please slow it down and then repeat it again, and watch it again, basically, so that you understand what I'm saying. and all the levels have been marked here is purely based on the concept that I have explained in the earlier video, the three-step approach. Identify the trend, identify the zone, and then do the quality test. That's all. Okay, so if you don't have a trading opportunity that gives you 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then please ignore them. That's it. Okay, anything above 2 is fantastic. Okay, now moving on to the next one is the GBPUSD. Here, as you can see, I was expecting, if the price, it has hit this resistance level, so I was expecting the price to come back here and then look for buying opportunities. As you can see, the price is already going up, so it's still got some time for retracement. We'll just wait. I have marked the zones here, this zone here, as a possible or potential buying opportunity zone. If price comes down to that level, then I'll be really interested in taking a trade or finding an opportunity. EURGBP, the next one. Again, here I'm looking for buying opportunities here. Let me just go to the weekly one and see. As you can see here, it's kind of making this higher high and higher low kind of a scenario here, so it's got plenty of room if it wants to go up. Okay, it has also got plenty of room if it wants to come down. I'm not speculating much, I'm just waiting for the market to tell me where it wants to go. That's all. I'm not speculating at all, guys. I'm just waiting for the market to tell me where the price should be going. Okay, and I'm just assuming if it wants to go up, and this is a zone that I have marked here for buying opportunity here. Okay, I'm expecting it to go up. So on a daily basis, if it can go up there, retrace to this level, and then look for a nice up move there, so we can get a very nice risk to reward ratio. And this is the next resistance I'm looking at, so even if we enter somewhere here, and this will be our stop loss, so I think we can get a nice 1:2.5, 1:3 risk to reward ratio there. So it's going to be a very good trade. Keep an eye on this one. And then moving on to the next one is the USDCAD. Okay, I'm looking for selling opportunities here. As you can see, it's already coming down. That's what I have marked here. So let it come down a bit and then go back up, retrace, and then test these resistance levels and look for a selling opportunity, and there's a nice move that we can expect to the downside. Okay, so this is about USDCAD. We're looking for selling opportunities because the trend is down for the pair. And now EURCHF, I'm looking for buying opportunities here. This is the it's a very nice resistance zone at the moment. If it is really bullish, then it should go up there and then test this level and then go up again. If it doesn't want to do that, then it will just come down here. It fails, it tries to go up and then fails, and then doom, that's it. So I'm not interested in that. I have got a very clear pattern of when I want to take the trade. If it goes up there, comes back to this support level, which is now acting as resistance, only then I'll be interested in buying this pair. Okay, so as I said, again, the three-step approach. The trend is up, I've identified the zone, and once I spot a trading opportunity, buying trading opportunity, then I'm going to do a quick quality test to see whether I have got 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and that's it, guys, and let's go there. So as you can see here, we got a very nice room to the upside here, so it's very easy for us to get a 1:2 risk to reward ratio here, because the next level of resistance is here. And even if we enter somewhere here with this as a stop loss, we've got plenty of room. Okay, so it's definitely more than 1:2.5 or something like that. Okay, so moving on to the next pair, Euro New Zealand. In this pair, I'm looking for selling opportunity. As you can see, the trend is down, and this is the zone that is if we get a selling opportunity, then we should be looking to cover our positions before this support zone. Okay, so if we sell somewhere here and this as a stop loss, and we should be looking for covering well before that. We should give just about 1:2 for us, so it's going to be a good trade. All I'm looking for is waiting for the price to retrace to the upside, where support has turned into resistance now. Okay, so this is a zone that I'm looking for, and as you can see, price is slightly going up now, and once it struggles at this in this area to go higher, then if bears come into picture, then I'm going to sell here. Okay, so that's about Euro New Zealand dollar. And the next one is I have marked this silver and gold as well. I was looking at a bearish momentum here. This is a very good support level, and I was only bearish only if, if it came down like this, continued this bearish momentum, but now as you can see, it's kind of going up. Okay, so if the price doesn't move as I have anticipated or anything, then I don't get a trade, that's all. So the price didn't come down, it's just going up, so I'm just gonna ignore this one, that's all. Nothing more than that. I don't have to really fret about anything else. If it does something else that I'm not anticipating, then I'm going to just leave that pair or stock or commodity. Next is gold. I'm bullish on this one. As you can see here, I was expecting this to go up, and it is doing it in a slightly different way. So if it comes down here again after this and then starts going up, then I'll be looking for buying opportunity. This is the zone I'll be looking for buying opportunity, as you can see here. And the next one is FTSE. I have marked some scenarios here where it's in this zone here, as we have marked. It's an uptrend now, so this is a zone that I'm interested in. So it came here, went up. I mean, there is no proper if you have an entry reason on a lower time frame, that's fine, but if you're looking just on the daily time frames, then you will have to wait for some more time, and then I don't think you'll have a better risk to reward ratio there. The better one would be something like this. If price breaks out of this resistance level and comes back, and then this one, that would be a better entry as well. So you don't have to really worry that if you have missed the chance here or something like that. If it's not a very clear pattern, then you can always ignore that and wait for a better entry opportunity. And the same goes with the S&P or SPX, Dow Jones. Once it crosses this resistance here and then tests this, and then looking for buying opportunity. So as I said, guys, this is a weekly analysis, week starting first 30th of November, I guess. Yeah, 30th of November. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like this video so that it can be shared with many more traders just like you, and it will be helpful for them as well. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.